In a landlord-tenant saga that would make Kafka weep, our hero faced a watery nemesis in the basement. It wasn't a creepy critter or a rogue washing machine hose. No, it was the cast-iron drain stack. This seemingly innocent pipe, older than most people's grandparents, had a hidden agenda: to unleash a torrent of trouble. With the stack sporting more cracks than a Hollywood tabloid, it was time for a change. Enter the 4-inch PVC pipe, the shining knight, or should we say knight in plastic armor, in this battle against basement backups. Safety first, as always. We secured the remaining cast iron with galvanized straps, because who wants a surprise pipe ballet ending in a twisted ankle and a potential lawsuit from your over-enthusiastic tenant? Fun fact: the first drainage systems date back to around 3000 BCE in the Indus Valley Civilization. Those folks were way ahead of their time. While they were chilling in well-drained houses, here we are wrestling with rusty relics. For the cutting part, we brought out the, well, let's just say, it wasn't a spork. Think more along the lines of a high-tech pipe assassin designed to conquer galvanized foes. I'm not at liberty to reveal the exact model, gotta keep some secrets for Season 2, but let's just say it sliced through that pipe faster than you can say, "Plumber to the rescue." With the cast iron castaway out of the picture, it was time to welcome our PVC hero. Measuring became our mantra. We measured twice, we measured thrice, we even considered measuring for good luck. We wanted this pipe to fit like a glove, because let's face it, leaky plumbing is the fashion statement no one wants to rock. Glue cement and primer in hand, we wielded them like a maestro conducting a symphony of watertight seals. Purple primer, clear cement, we had it all. Because in the world of plumbing, a splash of color can make all the difference. Aesthetics are important, even underground. Our long neck sanitary tee and clean-out were the cherry on top. The ultimate insurance policy against future flood-related fiascos. Speaking of floods, did you know that the average American uses about 100 gallons of water per day? That's a lot of potential leaks to keep in check, folks. Finally, the moment of truth. We cranked on the water, bracing ourselves for the worst. Would our basement transform into a watery wonderland?
Oh my God!
Leak detected, but not just any leak. The cast iron had a gaping split, the culprit behind all our troubles. It looked like it had been holding a grudge match with a chisel for years. Fear not, fellow tenants. With the new PVC champion in place, this basement battle has a splash-tastic victory. For more plumbing adventures, unexpected discoveries, and helpful tips to avoid becoming a surprise plumber yourself, subscribe to our channel. Remember, in the world of pipes and leaks, knowledge is power, and a subscription is much cheaper than a flooded basement and the wrath of your landlord. So hit that subscribe button like it owes you rent, and together we'll banish those sneaky plumbing gremlins forever.